Substack has become almost synonymous with independent publishing. It's the platform that lets writers, journalists, and creators publish newsletters, build audiences, and even earn money directly from their subscribers. But as more platforms enter the creator economy, is Substack still the best place to build your writing career in 2025? Let's start with what makes Substack appealing. The entire platform is built around simplicity. You sign up, write posts, and send them directly to your audience's inbox. No website building, no complex setup. It's writing first, tech second. That's part of its magic. For writers who just want to focus on their voice, Substack removes distractions. The Substack app, available for both desktop and mobile, adds another layer of connection. It acts as both a reading hub and a publishing tool. Subscribers can follow their favorite writers, comment on posts, and even discover new newsletters through recommendations. For creators, it's both a publishing platform and a mini social network. In terms of usability, it's one of the cleanest writing interfaces out there. The editor is distraction-free. No complicated formatting tools, no confusing dashboards, just you and your words. You can embed links, images, or even audio posts easily. The email delivery system is reliable, and analytics are simple enough to give you the essentials: open rates, subscriber counts, and revenue. However, Substack isn't without flaws. One major criticism is its limited customization. Your Substack site will always look like, well, a Substack site. You can tweak colors and logos, but that's about it. If you want total control over branding or web design, it's restrictive. Another issue is discoverability. While Substack has a recommendation system, it's still largely driven by external traffic. You'll need to promote your work yourself through social media or networking. Monetization, though, is Substack's strongest pillar. You can set subscription prices, offer free and paid tiers, and keep 90% of the revenue after payment processing fees. That's far more generous than most creator platforms. Writers who build loyal audiences can genuinely make a living from it. But the competition is heating up. Platforms like Beehive, Ghost, and Medium now offer similar features, often with more control over design and data. Beehive, for example, has more advanced audience segmentation and newsletter automation tools. Ghost gives you complete ownership of your site, so Substack's simplicity can feel like both a blessing and a limitation, depending on what kind of creator you are. Performance-wise, Substack's mobile app works well. Reading is smooth, comments load quickly, and notifications keep engagement high. The app feels like a cozy home for newsletters. It removes the clutter of regular inboxes, so readers can focus purely on content. The downside? You can't do everything from the app yet. Deep analytics and design tweaks still require the web dashboard. So, who is Substack really for? It's perfect for independent writers who value simplicity, consistency, and community. It's not a one-size-fits-all business platform. It's a home for voices. If your goal is to write, connect, and grow a loyal readership, Substack delivers that experience better than almost anyone. But if you want heavy customization or marketing automation, you might eventually outgrow it. In short, Substack is still one of the most writer-friendly ecosystems on the internet. It's not trying to be everything. It's trying to be your writing home. And in that mission, it succeeds beautifully.